Fairfax Connector customers can currently get up-to-date information about bus service changes and disruptions by subscribing to Fairfax Alerts. Go to fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts to sign up. Customers can find complete system map, route, and schedule information online at fairfaxconnector.com or follow Fairfax Connector on Twitter and Facebook. If you need more assistance, visit a connector store to plan your trip, purchase or add value to Smart Trip cards, or get other travel information. Our customer service representatives are there to answer your questions and provide free maps and schedules. The connector store locations are open Monday through Friday. For individual store hours or for information about bus routes and schedules, visit the Fairfax Connector website at www.fairfaxconnector.com or call the Fairfax Connector Information Center at 703-339-7200. The TTY number is 703-339-1608.